Let's say hi to Auntie Sashi. Oh, she's on the move. There she goes. Oh, here she goes. She's on the move. Her new toy is the whisk. Riley, can you say hi to Auntie Sashi? Can you say hi to Auntie? Oh, spin the ball. Spin the ball, Riley. Yeah, look at her. Look. Look. Riley. Riley, can you say uh-oh? She's just going. Look at her go. Look at her go. There she goes. There she goes. Uh-oh. Riley, come back over here. Come on. Say, I love you. Riley, can you say I love you? Riley. Say, I love you.